So Ken, what was your favorite customer story from last year's MarkLogic World?
Okay, I remember was pulled into a meeting with a customer, and they asked us the question. They said, "I've got this 80-dimension data cube. Can you make it go faster?" And I said, "Well, depends. Let's take a look at it." So when we took a look at their data, what we noticed was like one of the dimensions was called something, and I'm paraphrasing, but it was almost this interesting. It was, is there a male over the age of 40 driving a truck living at home? That was a data dimension. Well, that sounds like a query, right?
Yeah.
So what they were doing was they were essentially stuffing queries into the ETL process and then representing them as dimensions and saying, okay, here's the yes or no answer to that. And we ended up having a discussion around the fact that the data cube and the speed of it isn't your problem. Your problem is further upstream when you're integrating the data. You're force-fitting everything into this one thing that you have called a data cube, and that's like, the hammer, the proverbial hammer, where everything looks like a nail.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's actually similar to my interaction. I was in a meeting, I think there were 12 or 13 people from the same customer, and they were all interested in how can MarkLogic help solve their data problems. We heard from them, they'd been hearing the data warehouse is dead, it's all about data lakes and unstructured now. And I told them, we're not here to kill the data warehouse. Data warehouses are very important technologies, but we solve problems that data warehouses were never meant to solve. Like, you don't build an 80-dimension cube to solve these problems. You use a technology that allows you to do the query and do the analytics on top of the query.
I remember I was at that meeting as well with you, and that was a great aha moment, because there was a data architect saying they've been predicting the demise of data warehouses forever, and when you spoke up and said that's not what we're doing, I think the light bulb went off. And when we told them about the whole data pipeline and where you need to do certain things, that's where we really got them going.
Yeah, Ken, I think so many light bulbs went off, it was like the paparazzi all over the place.
It was, I know. It's a problem.
It is. Well, anyway, I'll see you at MarkLogic World.
Looking forward to it.